The oldest quarter in the city, Vieux Montreal, is the perfect place to call home on your vacation to Montreal due to its wide variety of family-friendly restaurants, activities, and accommodations. Not only that, Old Montreal is centrally located, making it ideal for getting to and from if you decide to venture elsewhere. In Old Montreal, you can get a ride in a horse-drawn carriage or download the Cité Memoire app to your smartphone for a fun 60 or 90-minute guided walking tour of Old Montreal. With shops for all ages and historic landmarks scattered throughout, you could easily spend an entire day wandering the cobblestone streets of this historic quarter. Don't miss a stop at Place d'Armes and the Notre-Dame Basilica, one of the most dramatic examples of Gothic Revival architecture in the world. The church's interior is tremendous and sumptuous, with deep blue ceilings decorated with golden stars and hundreds of intricate wooden carvings throughout. What's unusual about this church is that its stained glass windows depict scenes from Montreal's history rather than from the Bible.